I'm Katie with PW Insurance, and I'm here to help you understand general liability coverage for your business. General liability is protecting you in the event you get sued because you hurt someone or you damage something. The rating is based on, what kind of a business are you? Are you a movie theater? Are you a contractor? Or do you have a retail store or a hotel? And then also, how much business are you doing? So if you're a movie theater and you see 1,000 people come in a year versus 100,000 people come in a year, you're going to be paying a different price based on that volume, because the more you have, the more likely you are to have had some sort of an accident. So when a policy is started, we're going to ask you, what do you expect your business to look like in the coming year? So how much payroll do you expect to have? How many people do you expect to come through the door? Or the amount of sales that you're going to have in a year. And then at the end of the policy period, the carrier is going to ask you what those numbers actually ended up being. So if you are a smaller business, you ultimately end up paying a smaller price because you had less risk. But if your business grows or becomes larger, you pay a larger price because you had more risk involved. So let me show you an example of how that actually looks. Here we had a hotel. They expected to have about $650,000 in sales for the year. Pretty simple. So they paid here, that's the premium for those sales and the risk involved. At the end of the year, it was quite a big different picture here. We had 1.9 million in sales. So we had a lot more exposure, which means you had a lot more risk, right? More people could have tripped, fallen, something fell on them, something has gone wrong, more of an opportunity for people to have sued you. So in this case, this insured owed the carrier an extra $5,600 for those increase in sales. Now, if the same had been opposite and they had lower sales, then they would have gotten some money back from the carrier. So some tips to help you with your audit: work with your bookkeeper and your agent to set up reports for matching your policy for easy reporting. If you hire a subcontractor, keep their certificate on file, and then at any point in your policy period, talk to your agent about changes in your business. If you're adding or removing factors, if you have a way more income or way less or payroll, just keep your agent in the loop, and then we can help adjust your policy and avoid big shifts at audits. Hope that helped.